Hey, Matt from Racks Galore, and this is the Yakima OverN Out 2-meter awning. It's quick and easy shade, which is perfect for beach trips, camping trips, picnics, or just family days out. So it's made from a 420D polyester with a waterproof PU coating, giving you solid protection from the sun and good coverage when that weather turns bad. Setup is simple. Roll it out, drop the adjustable legs, and you've instantly got around 4 square meters of shade. The telescopic arms and guy ropes help keep the awning secure on uneven ground and in windy conditions, making sure that your awning stays where it's supposed to be. It comes with L brackets and mounting hardware designed to fit most crossbars and platforms, and only weighing 15.4 kilograms, it has a minimal impact on your vehicle's load rating. And it's backed by a Yakima 2-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind. And that is the Yakima OverN Out 2-meter awning. Solid built, great design, and ready wherever you pull up.